Now we will see how to clean the data which is messy. You can see in this column there is data, order ID, name, category, but we cannot do text to column functions or text functions for cleaning this data. So we will see some magic trick which we called as flash fill. So firstly, we will see that there are order ID, name and category. So we will require three columns. So let's select this and insert the three columns right here. I have inserted this three columns. Now what we will do is that when we have large data, let's say there are only 8 rows of data. If we have 10,000 or more data, so how we can automatically or flash fill this information so we can separate the data. So if we have very large data, so we should give this as a sample data, so it can be filled. So I will show you practically. So let's say we want order ID from this. We cannot do text to column and any text function because there is slash, gaps, asterisk, dash. So what we will do, we will select this sample here, test, and also select any random sample, let's say 10250, and we will paste here. Now what you have to do is select the active cells between this same column and click on flash sale. Now you can see automatically the flash fill has done this. Now we did this as order ID. Now we want the names of the customer in this column. So same, we can give the sample to that column. Here I will paste that. You can take as this Robin Banks also. Now paste here. Now select active cells between this column and flash fill. This is the magic of flash fill. You can separate data properly. Now here you can do any name, customer name, or as a column. Okay, add this to column also. Now we want that from which category that customer or the this is. So we will select case furniture, copy. We will give a sample. Now we will give the furniture technology, same sample, and now save. Category is done. In this way, you can fill the data or clean the data properly